As you settle into the quiet embrace of this night, let a story of innovation, hope, and resilience guide your heart toward a vision of a sustainable future. Picture Amina, a young engineer in her 30s, sitting in her modest apartment, her laptop glowing with maps of the Gobi Desert, a place she once saw as barren but now sees as alive with promise. Lei Zhang's TED Talk, where he spoke of Earth's harshest places as keys to clean energy, sparks Amina's imagination. The Gobi Desert is the most Mars-like place on Earth, Zhang said, highlighting its potential for solar and wind energy to fuel green hydrogen projects. Amina, inspired, dreams of harnessing these landscapes, not for conquest, but for humanity's leap forward. Zhang's vision of deserts yielding more energy than the world consumes today stirs her. She recalls her own doubts, thinking harsh places were useless, but now sees their power. We need to get creative, Zhang urged, and Amina sketches designs for off-grid solar systems, imagining clean energy flowing from the desert to cities. Her startup struggles, but Zhang's story of one of the world's largest green hydrogen projects gives her hope. She collaborates with engineers, learning to optimize with AI, as Zhang described, to cut costs and make green energy viable. Each step of testing panels, pitching ideas builds her belief in a future where deserts power progress. As she closes her eyes, Zhang's words echo, Earth's harshest places hold abundant energy. Amina's dreams are vivid: solar farms glowing, communities thriving, a planet healed. She releases the fear of failure, the doubt and bold ideas. As you rest tonight, let Amina's story inspire you. You are not your limits, but your vision, your creativity, your hope. Embrace innovation, think boldly. As you drift into sleep, know that tomorrow holds a chance to shape a sustainable world, just as Amina is learning to do. In the gentle hush of this night, let Amina's journey to unlock the promise of harsh landscapes become a beacon, urging you toward innovation and sustainability. Amina sits at a workbench, surrounded by blueprints, her heart fueled by Lei Zhang's TED Talk vision of deserts like the Gobi as energy powerhouses. These harsh places hold the promise of free, abundant solar and wind energy, Zhang said, and Amina feels this, recalling her skepticism about barren lands, now seeing them as solutions. Zhang's story of a massive green hydrogen project inspires her. She once thought deserts were dead ends, but now envisions solar panels stretching across sands, powering homes. We must reduce the cost of green hydrogen, Zhang emphasized, and Amina dives into research, designing AI-driven systems to optimize energy capture. As he described, her startup faces challenges of funding shortages, technical hurdles, but Zhang's call to think creatively pushes her forward. She partners with local communities, learning from their resilience in harsh climates, echoing Zhang's belief that deserts can yield 100 times more energy than we consume. Amina's designs gain traction, her vision aligning with a sustainable future. Each prototype, each pitch, builds her confidence, her purpose to heal the planet. As she drifts to sleep, Zhang's words linger, get creative about the future. Her dreams are filled with hope: deserts blooming with energy, communities empowered, a world transformed. She releases the doubt, the fear of bold ideas failing. As you lie here tonight, let Amina's story guide you. You are not your challenges, but your vision, your innovation, your hope. Embrace creativity, pursue sustainability. As you drift into sleep, let these truths take root. You are capable of bold ideas, of change, of a better future. Tomorrow, you'll wake ready to innovate, just as Amina is doing. As you sink into the peace of this night, let Amina's quest to harness Earth's harshest places weave into your dreams, a testament to the power of vision and resilience. Amina stands in a windswept desert, testing a solar panel, her heart alive with purpose after hearing Lei Zhang's TED Talk. The Gobi Desert could unlock more energy than the world consumes, Zhang said, and Amina sees the barren landscape not as empty, but as a canvas for clean energy. Her childhood taught her deserts were lifeless, but Zhang's vision of green hydrogen projects shifts her perspective. Earth's harshest landscapes hold promise, he said, and Amina's startup focuses on building off-grid systems, as Zhang described, to power remote areas. She faces setbacks and technical failures, skeptics, but Zhang's call to innovate, using AI to optimize energy, inspires her. She collaborates with engineers, learning from desert communities' resilience, echoing Zhang's belief in creative solutions. Each test, each breakthrough, brings her closer to a world where clean energy is abundant, affordable. We need to think differently, Zhang urged, and Amina does, her designs gaining notice, her mission empowering artisans in remote areas. As she closes her eyes, Zhang's words echo, deserts can fuel humanity's leap forward. Her dreams are vibrant as solar farms shining, villages thriving, a planet healed. She releases the fear of failure, the weight of doubt. As you rest tonight, let Amina's journey awaken your own vision. You are not your limits, but your creativity, your resilience, your hope. Embrace innovation, think boldly. As you drift into sleep, let these truths settle deep. You are capable of change, of vision, of a sustainable future. Tomorrow, you'll wake ready to create, just as Amina is doing. In the soft stillness of this night, let Amina's transformation through sustainable innovation become the heartbeat of your dreams, urging you to reimagine the future. Amina stands in a community center, sharing her vision of desert-powered energy, her heart soaring as locals listen, inspired. Lei Zhang's TED Talk, with its focus on Earth's harshest places, changed her life. The Gobi Desert's solar and wind energy can fuel progress, Zhang said, and Amina, once skeptical of barren lands, now sees them as hope. Her startup builds solar systems for remote areas, inspired by Zhang's green hydrogen project, which he said could unlock more energy than the world consumes. She recalls her doubts that deserts seemed useless, but Zhang's call to reduce green hydrogen costs through AI drives her. We must get creative, he urged, and Amina innovates, designing efficient systems, learning from desert resilience. Her work faces challenges of funding, skepticism, but each breakthrough, each village powered, proves Zhang's point. Harsh places hold promise. Amina mentors young engineers, sharing her vision, echoing Zhang's belief in a future where deserts power food production, even interstellar dreams. As she drifts to sleep, Zhang's words linger, think creatively about the future. Her dreams are alive with possibility, a desert's glowing, communities thriving, a sustainable world. She releases the doubt, the fear of bold ideas. As you lie here tonight, let Amina's story inspire you. You are not your challenges, but your vision, your creativity, your hope. Embrace innovation, reimagine possibility. As you drift into sleep, let these truths transform you. You are capable of change, of vision, of a better world. Tomorrow, you'll rise ready to innovate, just as Amina has done. In the gentle embrace of this night, let Amina's journey to harness Earth's harshest places become a light for your dreams, urging you to embrace innovation and hope. Amina stands in a desert, surrounded by solar panels, her heart full as her startup powers a village, its lights glowing against the night. Lei Zhang's TED Talk reshaped her view, his vision of deserts like the Gobi as energy hubs inspiring her work. These landscapes hold abundant energy, Zhang said, and Amina, once seeing only barren sands, now sees potential to change the world. Her solar systems, inspired by Zhang's green hydrogen projects, bring clean energy to remote areas, proving his point. Deserts can yield 100 times more energy than we consume. She faced doubts at technical failures, naysayers, but Zhang's call to use AI and creativity kept her going. We need to rethink energy, he urged, and Amina's designs, optimized for harsh climates, gain global notice. She mentors youth, sharing her why, to heal the planet, empower communities. Her work helps villages thrive, artisans prosper, a sustainable future grows. As she closes her eyes, Zhang's words echo, Earth's harshest places can fuel humanity's leap forward. Her dreams are vibrant, a desert's powering cities, a world transformed, hope alive. She releases the fear, the doubt, embracing her role as an innovator. As you rest tonight, let Amina's story be your inspiration. You are not your limits, but your vision, your creativity, your hope. Embrace innovation, think boldly. As you drift into sleep, let these truths become your own. You are capable of change, of vision, of a sustainable future. Tomorrow, you'll rise ready to create, to inspire, just as Amina has done, proving that bold ideas can transform the world.